Hi, Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things. I am on my last older paper pumpkin to do the unboxing and create. This one I bought because they're having a great clearance sale, and I wanted to snag up at least one more of the paper pumpkins from the past kits. And this one is called Positively Picturesque. It's from July 2017. It comes with two Stampin' Spots, Soft Sky and Tranquil Tide. It has some nice bold stamps. We have a thanks, hooray. The simple text says, "You're the best, you, hello friend, it's your day," and then a bold love with some flowers, a heart, a sun, and some, and a cloud, and then a random line of pluses. All right, so let's see what we have inside. I really like this kit. I am slowly collecting these old kits to pretty much complete my suite of what I have, as well as give me enough kits for my make and take projects. I can already tell that this is going to be very cute. It's soft colors. It comes with two washi tapes, Soft Sky and maybe a Blushing Bride. We've got some wood elements, some flowers. Let's look at these. All right, so I see 6 tulips, a love, a couple of hoorays. Oh, and look at that. We have a ray, but not the who ray. So I will have to see what to do about that. And then I think these are mountains, and there's 2 of them. And we have some grass, 2 grasses. Four large envelopes, 4 small envelopes, tulips, adhesives, both dimensionals and double-sided. Cards and 8 envelopes. Yep, so 4 small, 4 large. Here's 2 bases. 2 different bases. These are the 4 small bases. 2 Soft Sky and 2 with the lime green. Watercolor wash. 2 pink and 2 Soft Sky. I think still that's Blushing Bride. We have some die cuts, and they are die cuts with stitched a total of 4, 2 hearts, 2 round, and then we have these edges that come off that I'll have to figure out what they are for. And then we have die cuts for the mountain background. And I feel just 1, so it's a total of 4 altogether. All right, so I will probably, since these are for make and takes as well as alternatives, I will make one sample of each project. I'll just pick one of the small and one of the large, and I will be right back to put them together. All right, I am back, and I picked out 2 cards to work on. Both are going to be somewhat birthday cards for me. There's some other sentiments on there, but since I am so short of birthday cards, I am going to work on that first. Now, I wanted to talk about another little tip. So these are mostly die cut. So they've been lasered on a machine, and there's a couple of points of paper, and I already fixed the round. So when they cut this paper, this cardstock, there are these little tags. If you do not like the little tags, just take some small shears and trim those little paper ends off till they are smooth to your liking. So that is my tip for the day. I don't often see that on the cards, but this is not an A2 card. This is a slightly smaller size card. So all of the little tags have now been removed, which is a little bit over fussy, but I'm a little over fussy sometimes. So on the first one, we're supposed to do some stamping. I have already, to keep myself organized, put the stamps on the inks, the ink spots that are supposed to be used. So there you have it. The first project done. The next thing that I would do, if I knew I was giving this to a woman or a girl, I would put rhinestones on the sunbursts, and I'd probably put 1 or 2 on the circle. But that's just me. Cute. Second one. And this one too, I would actually, if I knew I was giving this to a girl or a woman, I would probably add a few rhinestones to it. All right, very cute with the matching envelope. And this one with its matching envelope. And now I'm going to go away and contemplate some alternatives for these two. All right, so stay tuned.